And there's the cover, and you can see it's UdiRC.
Ready.
Well, really, with you guys, you know, if you're willing to put out a few extra bucks for these colors, you could have like, you saw what, 3 or 4 different colors. Yeah. With a different color.
I think there might be 3.
The yellow and the black. So, look how Daddy's gonna do his out there off the boat.
Yeah, that's me. I think these are Venom.
You got bunches of beginning, or
Yeah, Udi Venom.
Oh, Venom, okay.
And I'm hearing some licks somewhere, but I didn't see it. Let's go. Finally hit somebody.
Did you? It's harder to do than what you think.
Good.
Two of them, I know.
A lot of boat action here. It looks like a whole swarm of water beetles. Oh! One went underwater and popped back up. It's like a demolition derby. Demolition boat derby. Oh! That one's upside down over there. One over here that's really stuck.
Yeah, drop.
Alrighty. Oh, here comes this one back. They just flip right back up. Looks like everybody bought the same model. Looks like there's like 8 of them or something. Down here.
How much?
I didn't think they were much.
Come on, stay.
Okay, bring it down this.
What model are those boats? So it's the Venom boat, Power Venom boat. They got them on Amazon. Powerful. Venom. That's what it looks like on the inside. And on the bottom. Motor won't come on when it's out of the water. Has that safety feature. Here's the controller.